I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the correct role and then open the update set you plan to back up. Once done, check its state. If it's still in progress, finish any active changes or mark it complete to capture a stable snapshot. Make sure to record the update set name and SysID. These identify the package. You're doing this now to avoid partial captures and to ensure the export contains all related records and customizations. Next, export the update set as XML so you have a portable backup. Click Export to XML on the update set record. If you need attachments or related records, include them now. Those often contain key customizations. Once exported, save the file using a descriptive name and timestamp. This step creates an offline copy you can import into another instance or restore later. Because Servicenow relies on SysIDs, keeping the exact XML ensures consistent imports and avoids record mismatches. Finally, store the XML in a version-controlled or secure location so you can retrieve it later. Then verify the backup by importing it into a sandbox or sub-production instance. This confirms the update set applies cleanly. If you hit import errors, inspect SysID conflicts, missing dependencies, or existing system changes that block commits. If necessary, resolve conflicts by updating the XML or adjusting the target instance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.